Alright, drone flight's now complete. I put my drone away. Look at this nice building, look. Building in progress. Yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to walk around and explore this area while I'm down here. And yeah, when I was recording yesterday in Paddington, there's some strange interference in the microphone because I'm using the DJI mic. Alright, we are by the canal. Nice shot here, look at that. Amazing. Go down the canal, look at that. Of course, we're in low light now, so let's bump down the shutter speed. Amazing thing about this camera. Look at that shot, amazing. That is sick. Gone down the station. Just, you know, I take photos here. Let's take photos.
Are you serious?
This is actually not much to film here, so I might just head back to the station and then probably just have a meet with my friend. It's like sunset right now, as you see. Going through the tunnel. It's more nice and clear here, as you can see. Right, let's walk down. See, this is my mic setup. I'm going to show you what my setup looks like. Look, got my DJI mic mini there. Really nice down here. Like, I mean, if it was dead daylight, like 12 PM, it would be a nice scene. Even right now, it's evening. It's quiet here. Regarding this bridge, look at that, nice shot. Quite dark down there, look at that bridge there. Nice and open area now. I might do one of my future drone flights down there. Train's gonna go by here. Sorry, what happened to my voice? Alright, we've got a shot of a train going by that bridge.
And to be fair, it's probably because they're heading.
Right, I'm nearby Haggerston, but unfortunately there's not really steps here, so I'm probably going to walk back. I'll walk back to the nearest steps to the ground level. Never a train goes by. Go back to street level. Someone dumped the line back there. That's what you see in London, quite common. Right, about Haggerston station. Took my mic off. No point in keeping it on. Just using my battery. Put it on probably later.
The next station is Hoxton.
Alright, so we're just in Paddington now. I'm with my mate now. So I've come from where I did my drone flight in Hackney, in Shoreditch, and now I'm here. So my mate's on his phone. He's not speaking with me, he's concentrating on his phone.
Nobody cares about this.
I'm joking. I'm not streaming, bro. I'm making a video. I've got my 2.8 lens. I want to get my 1.8 lens. I've ordered it, and when I get that, obviously, hope I can get better low light shots. Like right now, I'm shooting in. I'm shooting in.
How far is it?
It's not far. I know exactly where it is. I've got London in here, bro. I've got London in my mind. born and raised in London. So yeah, so
If you're born in England.
you've been here many times before now. I came here yesterday to check out the canal in the back. I know where it is, bro. Just trust me. Follow me. Look at that building.
It's mainly there, do you understand?
The streets of Paddington right now. Last time we went down to Chicken Cottage down there, so we have a lot of shops down here in Paddington. Yeah, we went last time, Chicken Cottage in Edgware Road, probably like a few minutes just down the road.
Oh yeah, it's there.
Yeah,
That's my son.
this is Edgware Road.
Marble Snowflake is closed, do you know that?
Listen, yeah, that snowflake, what happened to it though?
They closed it.
Why?
I don't know.
Forever?
Last time.
Forever?
Yeah,
So what's going to be there now?
I don't know.
Alright. I mean, it's not really much use filming here and walking. I don't get a good stabilization. What's down there? A lot of neon lights here as well. Never seen that before. Strict here in Edgware Road. Right, we're just done our meal now. I'm just walking down to Paddington Station. Let's get some B-roll shots here. What I usually do, I usually get some transition shots, so I just move the camera vigorously and I just switch to the next scene like this. See, look at that transition. I mean, it wasn't really special because I was in the same place. Why are you laughing, bro? Alright, let's go back to the station.
I lived there.
You lived there, yeah? How was it?
I lived there.
Was it good?
We lived there on the highest of the mountain.
That's good. It's good to have experience living here.
Take some water, Qasim, for home.
No, I'm alright.
Put the water outside. I never can store this water.
Yeah, anyone can just nick it. Yeah, you're right. They just put the water outside, anyone can just run off with it. Anyone can come up in, anyone can just come up in a car or van and just take it.
Then what can you do?
Nothing, yeah.
You understand?
Exactly, but of course, he might have cameras.
Even he has cameras.
Yeah, that makes
Yeah, if you've got your cameras, you've got your number plate. Right, we're going down to station. It's here, bro. He'll come in his own accord. It's actually a shortcut here. That's because it's not working. It's 10 o'clock at night, isn't it? Right, we're at Paddington now. We're go down the Elizabeth line, take the Lizzie line back to home.